My name's Rich and this is the place to come to make 360 easier so you can start having more fun with your 360 camera. So please hit the subscribe button and smash the bell so you're told straight away when I upload a new video. For this shot you'll need the Insta360 1X, the Ulanzi cage, the Insta360 selfie stick, some wire, a pair of pliers, some tape, some black tack and of course a dart. Hang around until the end and I'll show you some behind the scenes footage as well as an alternative dart shot that I did with the extended selfie stick. So first take the ulanzi cage and the wire and shape the wire with your pliers so it can be fixed along the side and top of the cage. It then needs to stick out approximately 4 cm and then go straight up to support the back of the dart. This is the same wire frame that I used for my last video, the big shave. So once you've made your frame, it's down to your imagination then as to how you use it. Before you finalise the bends and cut your wire, check what the dart looks like using the app so you know it will look okay in the final video. The wire is not fixed at this stage so be extra careful not to scratch your lenses. Once you're happy, fix the wire to the cage using strong tape and make sure the tape sits flush on the frame so it can't be seen by the lenses. Now break the black tack into 3 pieces and push it onto the wire and fix the dart to the wire, and you can easily adjust this later. Now put your camera in the cage and attach your selfie stick. Make sure you use your 1X pouch to rest the camera on when you put it down. You can now look at your dart on the app to see if anything needs adjusting. The main thing to look out for is that the flight on the dart isn't cut off at the bottom by the stitch line. And also if you raise it up too much then you'll start to see the wire coming out of the back of the dart. You can hold and configure the selfie stick in different positions and the overall effect is exactly the same. It just depends what type of shot you're going for and how easy it is to move the selfie stick around and how many obstacles there are to avoid. So here's an alternative dart shot where I used the extended selfie stick and I started in the bullseye and then I had to reverse it in the edit. You don't have to use the ulanzi cage, but if you don't then you have to tape the wire directly to the camera, which I didn't really want to do. And if you tape the wire to the cage, it then means that you can take the camera out of the cage and use it elsewhere and just leave your cage and the wire set up. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell. You can watch these 2 videos next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.